Damn. That went hit. Yeah, the power back on. We lost power, but we bite. I thought I was gonna have to get in here, boy. Man, that I feel so good, man. That I feel good. We lost power, but we back in motion. Yeah, we done lost power and got our power back. Thank God. We lost that power, but that power bite. You feel me? I'm out here chilling in the hurricane. Y'all know Floridian. They say a nursing home got hit, which killed 125 people in Port St. Lucie. That's sad, man. I don't like seeing shit like that. Like when I got up this day, I saw that. That was one of the first things I seen. I was like that shit. When it gets too bad, I'ma go in the house. Yeah, they got this shit howled it. Zabby up. Man, y'all hear that? That shit got slow connection right now. Y'all stay safe, man. Stay covered. Grand Rising, Grand Rising. All my neighbors out the door. But I ain't going back to sleep. I ain't finna sleep through no hurricane. I have, yes, fam. I hope y'all alright where y'all at. Yeah, we good. The power went out for about an hour. I got up. I've been up for about 30 minutes. The power just came back on. I was in here getting ready, boy. If you don't do nothing else, GA. Oh, y'all straight, man. I was praying for GA. Yeah, y'all straight, man. They talking about, oh, we're gonna come back up there, but in Georgia, South Carolina, or North Carolina don't need it right now. Make sure y'all. I think I got this thing for like $25. I don't know if y'all can see it. It got the plug. Put your hot plate on there. Get your coffee. It got little things for your charger. Yeah, stop playing. I just left Florida yesterday, period. Yeah, everybody, they say, I called my brother called me last night, my brother say, man, everybody from Florida in Georgia right now. I bet your hotel going for a good dollar a better. Yeah, yeah, man. I would, if I stayed in like, Fort Pierce, um, St. Lucie County, what it is, what it is, Sarasota, Tampa Bay, boy, you gotta be crazy. You gotta be out your mind if you ain't evacuate. GA so bad with nothing but Florida, man. I know that shit life right now. I know that shit life right now. Man, we just prayed up. You feel me? That's it. Stay prayed up. That's all you can do, man. Stay prayed up. That's it. You feel me? And he say everything will fall from your left to your right, but no harm should come your way. You feel me? You gotta stay prayed up. I see a lot of people. Yeah, I be posting the news because it's knowledge. You feel me? But we ain't got some essentials. Pray and we bunker down. You know what I'm saying? We finna be ready, frantic and stuff. We like, man, let's get this over with. We got shit to do. You feel me? We got money to be made. Let's get this hurricane over with. And they just prying. They prying on the wheat right now. You feel me? That's all they doing. They prying on the wheat. All these northerners is from not from Florida. They from New York. They from Washington. They from Boston. They from California. They done came down here. This their first hurricane. So they panic. And what happens is everybody around them panic too. You know what I mean? We went in the stove. They bought up all the water, all the hot dogs. They bought up all the eggs. What y'all buying up all the eggs? The power go out. What y'all finna eat eggs, boiled eggs, eat that for weeks? It's crazy. I mean, they took the toilet paper, the tissue, the toothpaste, everything. The only place you can go right now and buy some shit at is Publix. You feel me? Cause Publix gonna have it. I capital salute Publix, you hear me? I capital salute them boys. You feel me? Cause boy, no matter what, Publix gonna have what you need after the storm, before the storm. They ain't gonna run out like Walmart, Dollar Tree, all them other places. I ain't gonna lie, man. This shit got the city lit. The city is lit, man. Like, if people be like, oh, yeah, it is sad. It's sad people losing their life. 3 people lost their life on Southern in that tornado. 3 people lost their life in Southern. There were multiple fatalities in that storm in Fort Pierce. You feel me? In St. Lucie County. They say a whole nursing home, 125 people. You feel me? That's crazy. We chilled. GA so bad. I already know Georgia is packed. People sleeping through this storm. And I ain't finna go to sleep. I'm finna get up. Finna make me some coffee. Roll me another joint. Shit, I ain't sleeping through no storm. That damn shit ain't going to nobody's job. Not in no hurricane. That was heavy. That was not done. keep keep Florida lifted in y'all prayers. You feel me? Keep us lifted. And we ain't kicking up. Alright, we finna be bad. I'm finna go get right. I thought we was gonna have to, you feel me? I was ready. We lost power for a little bit, but I power back on. Y'all keep us lifted down here in Florida.